Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 175. If we start with this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9, 9 here. Oh, 1 and 9 here. So this is our 5. That makes this our 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 7, 1 here, so 2, 7, and no help here, 1, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 5, 4 and 6 here. So this is our 5, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 2, 3. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 1. Nope, that can't be right. Sorry, we have the 3 here, so we were missing 1, 5, and 7. We'll just have to ignore these for the moment. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7. And if the 5 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7, but we've got a 1 here, So 7, 1, 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.